Hello everyone, welcome to Codersarts. In this video, I am going to give you a quick overview of the Gradio library course series. Basically, Gradio is an open source Python library for building and deploying machine learning models. It has easy to use interface for creating and visualizing AI model, as well as tool for model deployment to web browser and cloud platforms. So Gradio library offer a seamless and user-friendly way to showcase your model to the world, even if you have limited prior experience in web development. Throughout this series, you will learn everything you need to know about Gradio library. I am starting from the basics and gradually diving into more advanced topics. In the upcoming videos, we will start with a comprehensive introduction to Gradio library, and we will demonstrate how to install it, and then we will walk you through creating your very first Gradio application. And by the end of this series, you will have a comprehensive understanding of Gradio library and how to harness its power for your projects and application. Our journey will begin in the next video with the introduction to Gradio library. So we will see you in the next video. Thanks for joining us and stay tuned.